Honey, easiest wig I have ever put on my head. Hands down. Easiest wig I have ever put on my head. Y'all, you see this? Do you see this? Okay, easiest wig.
DizastrousBeauty. It's DizastrousBeauty. It's the wig for me. It's DizastrousBeauty. Change up your look daily. It's DizastrousBeauty. It's the wig for me. It's DizastrousBeauty, baby. It's DizastrousBeauty. Change up. I know the next morning when the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not just only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. You know nothing at all about what's going down. Oh, like a shipwreck, I caught the sails loose. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and time is running out for me. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not just only in my dreams. Oh, if I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not just only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this wig, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, I'm not gonna even hold y'all. This is probably gonna be the quickest video you have ever seen me do. Okay, because it is not gonna take a whole lot to do this review. Okay, let me go ahead and go to their details and specs. So the unit I'm rocking was sent to me by Nadula Hair Shop. You Nadula for coming through with the come through. Okay, so this particular wig, it is their 5x5 HD lace breathable cap Wear&Go glueless 150% density curly wig, and I have it in 24 inches. I want to go ahead and just mention some of the things that they wanted me to highlight about this particular wig. No glue install, pre-cut lace, 3 seconds quick install, the ultimate beginner friendly wig. Tell me the lashes. Tell me the lashes. It literally says on here, only part you need is like foundation and hair care oil, and you're done. Okay, like they told me to shake to show that the wig ain't coming off. I did use the adjustable strap to keep this wig on, and I did use the combs. I think you could probably, even if you didn't want to use the combs, you don't have to. I think it would still really work well. And I'm gonna go ahead and say, in my opinion, I think this wig can work across the board, from small to large head friendly, because of that elastic band. There are no adjustable straps, but there are 3 combs, and it does have that elastic band as well as that little sticky stuff. I don't know what that sticky stuff is that are on a lot of the pre-cut wigs, but it's like to help it adhere some. And you know what, I take that back. I will say this wig is more on the big head friendly side than not, because I do have a lot of space back there, but is because of that because of that elastic band, and I was able to tighten it up, it doesn't even matter. So I still think you can make it work across the board, but I do think it is more so big head friendly than not. So those are all pretty much the details and specs. Any extra details I have on the side or whatever, or you can just click down below in the description box where I will have the link to this wig. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I have not noticed any. That's not to say that it won't. I didn't brush this wig out whatsoever. I literally ran my fingers through it. I used my mousse, and that was it. I didn't even put water on this wig. Literally, I added my bronzer. I did bleach the knots, but you don't necessarily have to bleach the knots unless you want to. I did decide to bleach the knots. I added my bronzer, threw old girl on my head after I did my makeup. And I do have a black cap on. I have started using the black cap, and Trendy K mentioned that she always wears a black cap. So let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. So I do have on a black stocking cap underneath, and I don't think you guys can tell. Y'all can let me know if you can tell, but so far so good to me. And I threw old girl on, and that was it. I added my bronzer to this area because I do wear a lot of bronzer, y'all. I don't know if you noticed, but I love some bronzer. So I did add my bronzer to the lace to help blend in with my forehead some. And that is it, girl. That is all. Period. So I'm not saying that it won't shed or tangle at some point. I'm just saying straight out of packaging is not doing any other things. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360 and lint check, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, usually I start with the cons because I like to end on a high note, but honey, the only con I could think of with this wig is that I don't have a con to give y'all, okay? And I don't want y'all to think I'm lying, so it's a con for me. It's a con for me that I don't have a con to give y'all, and y'all gonna be like, cap, okay? Ain't no the kids say cap, the kids still say cap. Y'all gonna be like, I'm lying. I ain't lying, girl. I have no cons. I could not think of one. I'm so sorry for you. I couldn't think of not one con. The pros are endless. What, like, literally the pros are endless. This hairline is bomb. Like, I did not tweeze it whatsoever. Bomb. Okay, the lace is bomb. Okay, the freaking hair is bomb. Okay, the fact that it's the most beginner friendly wig, there was no lace to cut and the lace is zigzag like my scissors. Bomb. Okay, all pros. All pros. Girl, get this wig. Girl, get this wig. If you ain't never listened to me talk about no wig before and say get it, listen to me now. Hear me good. Get this wig, okay? Child, we could basically skip this part after the pros. Like, obviously, I recommend this wig. I literally just spent saying, get this wig, I don't know how many times. So, yeah, girl. Yes, I would recommend this wig, for sure. For sure. Like, literally 3-second install. Okay, throw this wig. If you like, literally, if I had my wig off right now and somebody called and was like, you gotta come pick up your kids in the emergency and I ain't got none on my head, can throw this on while I'm walking to the car and still be bomb. You know what I'm saying? Still be bomb. You ain't gotta worry about your jailhouse braids, sis. Just grab this wig and throw it on your head and keep it moving. Okay, keep it pushing. Okay, I'm going on a tangent. Moving on. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 and lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think about this wig. Let me know if you are as obsessed with this unit as I am. Sound off in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Nadula. If you have any more of these, feel free to send them on. Send all of them, all textures. Send them on. Send them to me. Okay, this is the ultimate lazy girl wig, and I'm lazy. Send me some out. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I'll see you love folks next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every style and we